Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, hello, my name is Chelsea. It is so nice to meet you. Feel free to drop a comment below, and after this video, if you liked it, I would love to have you as a subscriber to be a part of this little community. I post videos all about life tips, tricks, and hacks, and then if my husband and I are ever up to anything fun, I will also vlog that and post it here on my channel. So today's video is a really exciting one. I saw that a lot of you liked the trunk club video that I posted, so I decided I would do another one. I have a box from a brand called Fashom. It seems like a really fun company, a little bit less expensive than the trunk club box, and so I thought I should give it a shot, give my honest opinion, and let you guys know how the process went and how the items are. The first thing that I should tell you is a little bit about how the process went at first. So you go onto the Fashom website and you fill out a questionnaire. I got an email about a day later with 8 items and I selected 5. So I kind of know what's in this box, but I don't really remember. I received it about a week later, so it's a really quick turnaround process. The other amazing thing about this box is that for every box sold, they give $1 to a charity. It is called Second Chance Rescue NYC. When I was initially thinking about fashion boxes, the biggest hurdle for me was how to choose what to keep. So I've actually made a video about that. I will link that below, and I've also written a blog post about it. The first step is just to try on the item and to give your initial feeling. The second step is I think about where and how am I going to wear it, and if I need to buy anything else like undergarments to go with the item. The third step is, do I own something similar and do I want to replace that item? And the fourth step is the price. I will choose which ones fit into my budget and if I think they're worth the price. So once again, I have posted a video about these steps that goes into much more detail, and I will link that below, or you can head over to my website if you want a handheld copy, and that website is chelshuff.com. Okay, so let's get into this box. I have opened it and it just looks like this, and there was this little note on top. It says, "Hello, beautiful." There is this little card that basically gives you some steps, and it talks about how they've given you the prepaid envelope for you to send everything back in if you need to send anything back. And then if you need to exchange, you can go onto their website and do that. So that's super convenient. So let's get into the clothes, the best part. Okay, so the first thing is this t-shirt. It says Amour. Looks cute. It looks like it's gonna fit. Fun. Ooh, these are really fun. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell the color in the camera. Yeah, you can. These are like a dark green ankle skinny pant, and they're skinny at the ankles. They're cut from the cloth, and they're very heavy, so they're like slacks, which is really fun. I don't have a color like this, so that's cute. Okay, there are also these white pants. I remember seeing these ones. So these are high-waisted, they tie in the front, and they have more of a bell-bottom base. This is one of those items where I'm interested to see how see-through they are and what kind of items I will need to wear underneath. The fourth item is this really cute flowy blue top. I love this, so cute. That'd be cute with those white pants. And then the last thing is a pair of boyfriend jeans. And again, they're from the brand Cut from the Cloth. They are like a washed denim, and then they have this really cute, like girly base on the bottom with some pearls and little silver details. So that's fun. Okay, let's try these on. Okay, I have moved the camera angle down a little bit so you can see what I have on, but I have this t-shirt on. I don't think I mentioned, this is from RD Style, and it's cute. I'm not sure, it kind of hugs me in the areas I don't really like to be hugged, so I probably would size up in this. This is gonna go into the maybe pile. And then these green pants, they're really comfortable, and the only problem I'm having is that there's no pockets anywhere, so they're basically just leggings, and then they are a little bit too long on me, and I would need to roll these up. So I think also these are gonna go into the maybe pile as well. This top is really, really cute. I like it a lot. It's very flowy. It's a nice color. I could tuck it in to make it a little bit more flattering around the waist, but I love this top. This is from a brand, I think it's pronounced Gilly, so it's really cute, kind of fun. Now these pants, they fit fine. I like my pants to be a little bit higher waisted. The only problem that I have with these pants is that I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but it looks like there is either like a wash right here or maybe even a stain. I can't tell, so I could exchange these, but I think I'm just gonna pass on the pants because I like them to sit on my waist a little bit higher. These pants need ironed, like big time. But what I love about these is that they come up really high on my waist. I really like these, and they have this cute little detail right here. I might put like a pair of Spanx on just so around my waist they sit super, super flat, and then also hit them with an iron. I love this for like the summertime where it's just, you can be relaxing out in the sunshine. But yeah, I like these. I am going to give myself a minute to process the items, and then I will look at the prices. I have now looked at the prices. I've decided what I was gonna keep after going through the process of my steps that I mentioned at the beginning. These green pants that were from Cut From The Cloth, the brand Cut From The Cloth, these are $69, and that is the reason I'm not keeping these. I just don't feel like those fit into my budget if I also want to keep these two items. This Amore t-shirt that is from RD Style is $29. I have a lot of t-shirts, so I could have exchanged this for just a size up, but I am actually going to send it back just because I think that I could probably get a different t-shirt from them that maybe doesn't have any writing on them that would suit my body type a little bit better. These Cut From The Cloth jeans with this pearl and silver detail I think are really cute. I'm going to send these ones back and maybe ask for the same brand but in a high waist, and then I'm just gonna mention that little stain on the front because like I said, I'm not sure if it's a stain or if it's just part of how the denim washes, but it's always good to let your stylist know if things come like that. This blue shirt is $34, and I think it's just really cute, and I could wear it with jeans or with high-waisted pants like the ones I have on. So I'm going to keep this top. And then these wide-legged white pants with this cute little tie. These are $42, which I think are a great value, so I'm also going to keep these. I hope that you liked this video. This has been so fun to make, just like the last one was. Please let me know what kind of videos you want to see. Leave a comment below. I would really love to hear from you, and I will see you in my next video. Love you so much.